I'd like to show you some ways to solve addition and subtraction problems using different math strategies. All right, here are the two math problems that we're going to focus on. One of them, as you can see, is an adding problem. It says 5 plus 2 equals. When you see a plus sign, that means that you're going to put these two numbers together to make a bigger number. Let's ignore this one for now and just focus on this one. I'm going to use several different strategies to show you how to do this problem. Okay, first is the number line, 5 plus 2. Here is a number line. If you start at number 5 and you want to add 2 more, that means you're going to make 2 jumps going this way, making the numbers bigger. 1, 2. So the number we land on is 7. If you'd like to check that using a different strategy, we could use counters, where you take 5 counters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 red ones, plus 2 yellow ones, 1, 2, that's the other number 2. Sorry, yellow. So this would be 5 red plus 2 yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It still equals 7. Now, another way you could have done it is you could have not put down 5 of these. And instead, you could just say the number 5 in your head and then count on 2 times. So you say 5 and then count on. After 5 comes 6, 7. Still, the answer is 7. You could also use your fingers. I'm holding the camera, so I can't put down both hands, but I can draw it where you put up 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers, which is your whole hand. And then you put up 2 more. 1, 2, and then you count your fingers. 5, 6, 7. You could do it that way. Now, subtraction is going to be a tiny bit different, but you can still use the same strategies, okay? This time, we're doing 5 take away 2. So we can use a number line. I'm going to erase when we were adding on here, and now I'm going to do subtraction. So 5, this time we're going to take away, minus 2. That means we're just going to jump the other direction. 1, 2. And we land on the number 3. So using the number line, we're saying that 5 take away 2 is 3. You can do that with counters. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 counters, and then you take 2 of them away. 1, 2 of them go away, and now we're left with 3. You can also do it with your fingers, where you have 5 fingers up and you take 3 away. 1, 2, 3, and you're left with, I'm sorry, 1, 2, and you're left with 3, right? So 5, and you take away 2, and you're left with 3. All right, so I just wanted to show you that there's more than one way to solve a math problem. You have to figure out the way that you like to solve the problem. If you like to use your fingers, then do it that way. If you like to use a number line, do it that way. If you like to use counters, do it that way. If you like to draw a picture, you can do it that way. There are lots of different strategies to use when solving problems. Please be sure to look at the sign, because adding means you're putting the 2 numbers together, and subtracting means that you have a number and you're taking away from that number and making it smaller.